Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into the concatenate function in Excel. So first things first, as you can see we've got some dummy data here. So we've got 4 different countries and the capital of those countries. So what I'm going to do is just create a new column called new version. So there we are, a new column. And now I'm going to use the concatenate function. So as you can see here, for the actual syntax behind it, so we've just got to choose the texts that essentially we want to join. So I'm going to select A2 and then comma B2, and as easy as that, you can see that we've now joined those two values together. But we do have the problem now that there's no space in between the values. So along with what you can do with the concatenate function is add a space in between the values that you're joining. So I'll just call this new column new version 2, and now I'll join these two values together again, but I'm going to add a space. So in order to add a space, we're just going to use double quotes like that and select B2, and as easy as that, we've got now our values with a nice little space, so it just looks a little bit nicer. You can even add a comma instead, so you can pretty much use anything you want. So yeah, very useful function to use when you're looking to join two values in an Excel spreadsheet, and one that I'd highly recommend using. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.